Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about the game called Vampire Survivors, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how I got this mod on the game which gave me unlimited money. So I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how you can do it also, you guys. And I'm going to show you today the steps with my Xiaomi, which is in Samsung. I already tested also in my iPhone. Right now I'm recording with my iPhone, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm going to make a tutorial also with my iPhone for iOS users if you need me to. I don't think you're going to face any problem because the same steps are required for the both devices. But anyway, if you want me to, I'll do also a tutorial with my iPhone, okay? I'm just going to open the game real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about. As you can see, I have so much money over here and I can use it like I want. For example, as you can see, I started to power up. As you can see, we can buy and everything. You can hear also the sound. All right. I can buy everything I want. So as you can see, the game is real, guys, and everything works and runs perfectly for me. So I'm not going to stay too long inside of the game, so I don't make the video too long. I'm going to show you step by step that how you have to do it and where you have to go to get this mod. Okay, so okay, I'll stop now. I'm just going to show you that this is a real game, guys. It's not a fake video or something. Here we are. So now I'm going to show you where you have to go, guys, to get this mod. Okay, just make sure you're gonna have a good internet before you start the loading process of this mod, guys. Okay, then you can go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer. You just need to type this website, which I'm going to type for you guys right now, and I'm going to focus it. Just a second. Okay, here we are. You enter inside of this website. You're gonna face these different categories here, a lot of apps and games also. You just you can go to the mods to search by scrolling, or just type in the searching bar, and you just need to type the name or just the keyword. For example, survivors. As you can see, it comes immediately, and you have Vampire Survivors mod. Just press on the right side and it's going to take you to the next page when you have the whole information. As you can see, the last update was done 16 April. So you just need to press the blue sign over here and it will start the loading process of the mod. And by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod in your game and get unlimited money, same as me. To some of you, it depends on the region where you are living, guys. It might require an extra step, but in the end of this process, just complete what is required. You're going to be able to get it, the mod, same as I did it. Okay, this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.